My goodness, at this time the Theta Network hoard is going to do a very big mistake, my friends. If you are a holder of Theta Network, so please keep watch this video till the end, please, because in this video we discuss the very big mistake of hoarders doing at this time. So keep watch and remember to subscribe AB State channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's start the video, my friends. So friends, first of all, we look the currently latest update of the Theta Network. What's going on at this time in the Theta? Let's see, my friends. You can see here now on the screen the latest price of Theta Network in the market. 7.85 USD dollar is the currently latest price of Theta Network. On the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Theta Network. So the last 1 hour price change is going positive, last 1 day price change is going positive. Same like that, the last 1 week price change is going positive. Oh my goodness, absolutely, my friends, I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes occur in the Theta Network. And in this time, it is, as you know, it is the end of month. Every cryptocurrency is fast down, friends. Every cryptocurrency is fast down, but Theta Network have a unique character that the whole changes occurs in the Theta Network is going positive. I can't believe. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, and let's discuss what is the mistake and why the hood is doing this mistake. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Theta Network. You can see here, if you look, the price changes occur in the Theta Network. So you already know, if you're a holder, that the price of Theta Network is very badly falls down from the previous last 1 month. Last 1 month price change as negative, my friends, negative 29.37%, my friends. If you decide to sell Theta Network at this time, so absolutely you are in the loss, because the previous last 1 month price change is going negative, so you are in the loss. On the other side, if you decide to hold, so you are in the profit, because in the future maybe there's a lot of chances to they take a huge pump. So that is how you can get a good amount of profit from the Theta Network. That is why I recommend for everyone to, it's a perfect time to hold, not to sell, my friends. That is the biggest mistake of Theta Network hold is doing in this time. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss.